We're gonna talk about my streaming setup.
Look at them Smeagol with their fancy setups and their professional backdrops. We wants it, we needs it. Get him, get him.
Oh, sorry, I didn't think you were watching. Hi guys, it's me, your favorite content creator, Jagelsdorf. And as any self-respecting content creator, I'm constantly thinking about how to improve my game, both in terms of what I make and how do I film it. Because even the best model won't convince if it isn't presented properly. Now, I don't really like spending money, and I don't have a lot of space in my apartment, so I'm always looking to make things small and cheap. So I decided to make a little basic frame on which I could clamp on the backdrops and my camera myself. From an old Ikea coffee table. You heard me right, from an old Ikea coffee table. But before we start, let's put our materials together. First, a nice warm mug of mulled wine. As you see, I already helped myself to some of it. Legs from an old Ikea Witzu table. A wooden slat or board of the desired length. 4 screws and butterfly nuts. A drill or a Dremel tool and a small saw. The only thing that I needed to buy were the butterfly nuts. The rest of the things I had lying around or already bought for other projects, so the costs for me were negligible, but it's a type of project that can be made with many different things, so just look for something similar that you already have. First, I start by cutting off one of the table legs. Why? Well, you don't have to, but it's also not really needed. Moreover, the leg on the other side already broke. That's why I had to replace the table. So it only makes sense to make things symmetrical. This way you should have 2 L-shaped parts that will form the sides of your frame. Then you can take your wooden slats. If they're too long, simply cut them with your saw. Mine were already the right length, so I started drilling holes at the ends right away. There isn't much to it, so you don't really have to measure much. As you all know, I hate measuring, so it fits me. Just try not to get too close to any of the sides of the piece of wood, so that you don't make any weak points. You want to drill a hole at both ends of each of your slats, so 4 holes total. And to be honest, that's it. That's all the work that you have to do. You see, this Ikea table has these very handy holes at the end of these legs. They were used to hold the lower shelf in place. Now you can simply put your screws with your butterfly nuts through it and screw the whole thing together. And I am using butterfly nuts especially for quick assembly and disassembly and optimal storage. Now, why would you ever need this type of thing? Now, let me show you why. First, if you put your tripod on top, you can make these type of shots. Great, clean, precise, artsy, I love it. The wannabe movie director in me tears up in joy seeing of what is possible now. Secondly, instant backdrop holder. What you need is to get yourself some colored cardboard in at least A2 size. Clamp it with shop clamps at the top bar and way down at the bottom. And poof! Instant backdrop. Now you can use different colors with it, you can paint or print something, you can use it for clean photos and for filming. It's amazing. And if you want to see me use this thing on the regular, just to see what's possible, subscribe, watch my videos. And to be honest, this video comes out quite late. I've already made this frame a good few months ago and I've been using it. I've been using it for filming and for making photos for my Instagram, and I've been really having fun with it. And I can only say that you should make one yourself or something similar like it if you have the capacity. But that's it for this video. That's it for today. I see you later. Bye.